Hi there, this is Vlad from Standuply, and in this video I'll show you how our new AI dialogue feature works for our JIRA customers. Let's jump right into it. So I will start from the very beginning. I will start right after you install our app in JIRA, right? This is the first page that you'll see. For you guys who don't know, Standuply is an AI-driven time tracking and project management assistant. And unlike other project management tools, only Standuply offers deep contextual insights through AI-driven user interviews within Business Messenger. That is why right here we will ask you to connect your Business Messenger. We work with two platforms. We work with Slack and Microsoft Teams. And in this video, I'll show you how we work with Slack. So on this first step, Connect Messenger step, you just need to click on Add Bot to Slack button and follow the instruction. Few clicks here and there and you'll have your Slack link to your Standuply account. Then on the second step, create your Teams tab. We will ask you to add your JIRA projects and teammates that you have in this JIRA project. So I will add my collab board right here and product development project right here. So the first project that I've added is a team managed project, and the second one is a company managed project. So we work with all JIRA projects, and you can have as many projects as you want right here. I'll add this too, and we'll add some users that I have in these projects. Of course, I'll add myself first of all, and I will add a couple of users that I have in these projects. So after you selected your projects, added your teammates, we will ask you to apply some specific rules to this JIRA To Do Connect. Statuses, assignee, and tasks. So on this step, you just need to select what kind of statuses you want to have in this integration, and these statuses are coming from your project, right? We automatically sync everything that you have in your JIRA with our tool. Assignee filter, assign to member all tasks. If you want your users in Slack to see the tasks that are only assigned to them, then you select assign to member option. If you want them to see all the tasks that you have in this project, you just select all tasks right here. Right. Before we complete the setup, let me change the name of this JIRA To Do Connect to JIRA To Do Connect Slack demo, and click the sync button right here. Tracking activation. So Standuply tells us that it will interview our team members, right, that we added on the second step on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 10 a.m. So we can click on keep editing button if we want to change the start date of this report, its time zone, weekdays. I mean, if we want to add more users into this report. But for now, I'll just click on runtime tracking report and automatically activate this automation. So as you can see, we have this time tracking report, right, on our dashboard. Now let me open my Slack and show you how everything looks in Slack from the user perspective. So as a developer, right, as a user, this is the place where I spend the majority of my time, right, in the Business Messenger. So have Standuply opened right here, and I'm in the Home tab. So in this Home tab, if I click on this View To-Dos button, I can find the to-do lists that my admin actually assigned to me. So I click on JIRA To Do Connect Slack that we've just created to open it and show you the JIRA tasks that I have. Here we go. So these are the tasks from my JIRA that are assigned to me. I can work with them here. I can add work logs. I can view details. This is what we'll do actually. So I will click on View Details button right here, show you what we have here, due date, priority. So we'll add a work log here. So let's say I had a meeting, spent 1 hour. Here we go. So Standuply AI automatically formats the message, right? Separates the text from the time. We can close it for now. And now I'll show you how the reporting part works, right? So I'll click on Run Report Now button to activate this report. So everything starts with a welcome message. Good morning, it's time for our daily stand-up check-in. Please take a moment to share your updates. So this is the welcome message. Then we have the first question of this report. What task did you work on yesterday? So here we will talk about 2 tasks, right, that I have in my JIRA for now. So I'll go with resolve API timeout errors, and I'll go with design logo for marketing campaign. So I will say that I worked on new logo design and API timeout errors, but I'll just say errors here. Send it like this. Here we go. So Standuply AI goes through our JIRA, automatically matches the text with the tasks that we have in our JIRA, and show it like this to us. So this is the first task, right? Design logo for marketing campaign. As you can see, both of these tasks have URL links, so I can click on them and Standuply can open it, show me the due date, original estimated time, activity log, description, everything. Then I can go back and comment on these tasks. So I can say that I spent 1 hour on the first task and 2 hours on the second one, and send it. Now Standuply asks me whether or not we have any other tasks from yesterday, and we can say yes. And let's say that we had a one-on-one meeting with my lead, let's say. Now Standuply asks us how much time we spent on it. So obviously these tasks, I mean, we don't have this task in JIRA, right? It's JIRA non-related task, but Standuply can still work with it. So we can say that we spent 45 minutes. And Standuply will show us this in these summaries. So this is the summary for yesterday's task, right? We have 2 tasks from JIRA. Standuply tracked how much time we spent on them. Then we have 1 task that is not in our JIRA, right? One-on-one meeting. Now Standuply asks us what do we have for today. So I can say that I have a demo, right? These tasks, I don't have these tasks in JIRA, right? But I can provide some details on this and give it to Standuply. So I'll say that first, I will finish it today. Need to write script, right? 45 minutes, let's say, and record a video, 30 minutes, and send it like this. Here we go. So Standuply gives us this summary demo. I'll estimate that it actually counted how much time we'll spend on it, right? 45 minutes for writing the script and 30 minutes for recording this video, making it 1 hour and 15 minutes. The due date, it automatically applied the due date, which is today. And now it asks us whether or not we have any tasks planned for today, and I'll say no. Boom, now we have the summary, right, for this report, yesterday's task, today's task. But let's say that we have a problem. Let's say, actually, I don't like the design new logo task. And now Standuply finds the task and asks us to provide more details why we don't like this task. So I'll say just takes too much time. Here we go. So this is the summary for today's report, right? So we have yesterday's tasks, today's task, and obstacles, right? The design task is taking more time than expected. So it will automatically highlight to our manager that something is wrong with these tasks, and the manager can help us with this. So let's wrap it up. I'll say all good. Thanks. And now Standuply will make a summary for us. Here we go. So this is the result of the report, right? I'll click on it right here. This is how we send the result of the report in Slack. So you can see that we have tasks right here, right, that we commented on, different sections. This is how the result of the report looks in Slack. Now let me go back to Standuply right here. I'll open to do section. So after the report is done, Standuply will visualize the real progress based on contextual insights, right, that we just provided it with in our report. You open it, presenting it on an interactive timeline for easy tracking and decision making. And this is the timeline feature that we are working on right now. This feature right now is only available to our internal team, so we are still working on it. However, we do have an early adopters program. So if you want to try this feature out, or you want to learn more about our AI dialogue feature or any other JIRA related feature, just contact us at hello@standuply.com. You can contact us in our support chat, or you can directly contact me at vlad.z@standuply.com. Thank you so much.